This 2021 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf 287BH2BDRM Slide, rear DBL Bunk Beds is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 34 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 10, air conditioning, slide-out, skylight, TV, external shower, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf 287BH2BDRM Slide, rear DBL Bunk Beds is 8,170 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.